Keep the good times poppin'. Pop, pop, pop.
Alright, defensibility check of Royal Knight's Royal Drawbridge. Yes, that is its name. Royal Drawbridge design.
Bad drawbridge design.
I don't know, we can't say that yet. Well, no, we can say that. It's not a drawbridge.
It's not a drawbridge.
It's just a bridge.
Why it's bad?
It's just a bridge. There's nothing that you draw. It's not a drawbridge. Look at the skeleton.
Hey, look at the skeleton.
Okay, I will. Oh, wow, look at him.
Some serious moves.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Breakdancer champion of, like, ever.
Yeah. Most posts like this would not have seen this many men stationed at them at all times. Having 3 soldiers at a little post like this is very impressive, especially when they have a camouflaged tactical attack raft.
Wow.
This must be an important point in the Royal Knights' Royal Kingdom for them to send so many Royal Knights to the Royal Knights' Royal Drawbridge.
Well, without further ado, let's dive in. Accessibility. You have an inaccessible chest. Now, if you look up at the tippity top of this here tower, not drawbridge, you can see a little treasure chest, but there's not a way to get up there.
In the instructions, it's actually put directly in the water beneath the bridge. It's gonna rot.
And like the chest,
There's an inaccessible prison. You have to lift up your bridge to get to that prison. I guess maybe it's just a place where you put people to die. It looks like this skeleton died from getting too wet. Kind of like a Borsman's River Crossing. River Fortress? Riverman River Fortress.
Riverman. Woo, go Riverman.
Well, I was thinking River Dance. I beg your pardon. That was kind of obnoxious.
The bridge is broken. As you can see right here, the skeleton's going to be falling off. There's holes in the floor as well, so that ramp leading up to the bridge, there's a hole about the length of your foot.
Horses can break their legs in there. You could too. Not easy to make your way across. It's also super steep.
Yeah, you couldn't get a cart up there.
Which maybe that's a good thing for defensibility, but this is accessibility.
Those tower tops are all inaccessible.
No ladders.
We do have an armory though, so we can see with those 2 halberds up there.
And a couple of lances. And these men are armed well with some extra shields too. More than 1 per stationed guard.
I think there's 5 Royal Knight shields in this here tower. So that branch,
Yeah.
it's accessible. So it's a very odd,
The
unreliable.
the accessible attack branch. I can't imagine it'd be good for the piece to constantly be supporting all of that plate.
It doesn't weigh that much.
No, but you're pulling on it all the time. Those poor things are already fragile.
It's true. Accessibility, -5. +2, net, -3. On to defensibility.
The crenellation height is inadequate here. Once again, it's a problem with that molded rampart piece.
We have a volatile bridge.
Your drawbridge is dangerous.
Because its support is so unreliable, it could be used to the detriment or to the advantage of either party.
Whatever happens, it's fragile due to that Royal Knight's Royal Drawbridge.
There's also no gate.
Your drawbridge allows evil knights to enter the kingdom.
There's a bridge, but there's no way to seal
And
the entrance.
It'd be kind of tough to stop people here. If they had a gate, whew, it'd be much more defensible a bridge.
There's a pretty good placement of the crenellated sections, so you have pretty solid visibility around the entirety of the tower. Defensibility, -2, +2, net, 0. On to offensibility. -0. There are no offensive disadvantages.
Not like we're expecting arrow loops when it's just this.
We have working machicolations, murder holes, and hoarding. Wow.
Hoarding was the most accurate thing we could use to talk about that blue-roofed murder hole, but I think a murder hole with a roof and kind of like an extender on over justifies us calling it a hoarding.
Offensibility, -0. +3. Net, 3. As of right now, our total is 0. pH.
Water.
On to our auxiliary graces.
This is, in fact, an impressive garrison for being such a small point.
Final total, 1. This tower passes.
Somehow, some way,
It passed.
it passed. Now we'll note that it passes as a bridge point, not as a fortress.
No.
If we were going to try and treat this like a fortress, no, it would not pass. Not in the slightest.
Hold up.
Oh.
Sorry.
Did we never give it a plus for that camouflaged tactical attack raft? Oh.
No, I was going to say the shield of the Dragon Master. That's the Black Knight's version.
Oh. Wait. Could this be some interesting development in the lore? It could be that Lego decided to make a sub-faction, the Black Dragon Master Knights.
The Dark Black Dragon Master Knights.
Or they just didn't keep their factions all that straight.
Well, I mean, it's something so minimal as print color.
Oh, yes, but of course. And that cool chrome sword makes up for all of it. And that neat mustache with that smile.
Smirk.
Indeed. As he rides you down. Next time on Defensibility Check. Can that wonderful mess, the Royal Knight's Castle, stand up to the scrutiny of the Good Time Group? Tune in next time to see the stunning results.